Alright, so we're out here getting the garden all set. We're going to be doing straw bale gardening again this year, and we have to condition the straw bales with this bale conditioner, and it's organic bale buster. You basically pour it on, sprinkle it on here. It's filming one-handed again. You just kind of sprinkle it on here, and this helps create a substrate that helps break down the straw bale materials, and so it becomes basically soil to grow your plants in. And you can do it on the sides of the bale as well once it breaks up. But then you pour some water over the top, and you kind of have to do this weekly. 何度もそのベルベスト使うときには何回ですか？ 1週間に毎日
every other day
はい。So every other day.
It has a direction, so
はあ、このビデオに説明してあげて、だから just trying to explain it more succinctly instead of reading the instructions on the back of the bag.
just for a week.
Oh, okay. So every other day for a week, huh? Okay. So there you go. That's about it. So this is week 1.